What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Justin Smith channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a color match or paint to match light up Ford emblem. And this is going to work for like some F150s and F250s or 99 through 07, I think it would be. I'm not sure on the 08 through 16 like what front emblem they use. I'm sure it's almost the same, or they should sell one, but this light up emblem is a Putco brand light up emblem, and this is for a 15 through 17 F150. If you have a truck with the 05 through 07 front end, this will work for you. You need to buy a 15 through 17 light up emblem. So I will have this emblem linked in the description box down below as well. So if you have an F250 and they make an emblem like this, you're going to be able to use this video to paint match your emblem. So I will say you don't want to do this spraying your paint out of a can. In my opinion, we're going to be spraying the base coat and the clear coat out of a gun. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be spraying the base coat and letting that cure, and then we're going to be wiping off the letters, and I'll show you how to do that. We're going to just use some acetone and a Q-tip, very carefully wipe off the letters. You can put the base on like extra thick and use like a plastic scraper, I'm pretty sure. Some people do it that way. I'm going to attempt the Q-tip method and just wipe it off with a Q-tip that just has a little bit of acetone on it, because the acetone is going to eat right through that base coat and wipe it off, and it's not going to harm the white lettering. So anyway, so we're going to be spraying our base coat out of a gun. I've got some mixed up right here. So this is our base coat. The color of the truck, it's charcoal beige metallic. And pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and spray this, the whole emblem. You're covering up the letters that light up. You're spraying the whole emblem in base coat. So we're going to go ahead and get that done. And then after that gets done, we're going to be wiping off the letters, and then we'll clear coat the whole emblem after we get the letters wiped off. So we're going to go ahead and get this sprayed now, and then I'll talk to you after we get it sprayed. Guys, so we've got the emblem almost wiped off on the Ford logo. So we've got it completely base coated. I put quite a bit of base coat on it just so then it would be stronger. And now we're just going to take some acetone, and we're going to take a lot of Q-tips, and what we're doing is with the Q-tips we're literally wiping the paint off. So this ring right here is pretty much the only thing that I have left to do, like getting the bulk of it off, and then I just have to clean up like all of the edges and the actual white like, you know, Ford logo, and get off like most of it. I'm trying to be as close up as possible just to show you like the detail. Like you can see there's still base coat left on there, but like from certain angles like you can't even see it all. Like it's almost cleaned off, but not really. So you want to keep going over everything without touching everywhere else. So, and if you do touch it, it's not like the end of the world, but you don't want to rub it. So like right here, a little bit of acetone actually dripped on that. So it's kind of like it's wet. So whenever that dries, that color will go back to normal, and then it gets completely clear coated anyway. So we will be completely clear coating this after we get the Ford wiped off. Is you'll have your Q-tip and it'll be soaked in acetone, and we literally will just wipe on that. So you will just have a Q-tip that's soaked in acetone and wipe it just like this. It is very, very time consuming, guys, and have plenty of acetone, and I've probably got 30 minutes or maybe 25 minutes in just where I'm at right now, and we're, you know, not done. We still have to clean everything up and then do this whole outside ring. But you just want to be very, very careful. Take your time, guys. I cannot stress it enough. Take your time. So with that being said, guys, I will check back in with you all here in just a second after I get this completely wiped off. Probably be tomorrow or something. And then I will clear coat it in this same video, obviously. And then we'll put it in the grill and put the grill back on the truck and wire it up. and show you what it looks like. It's gonna look so sick. So I will talk to y'all here in just a second. All right, guys, and just like that, we've got the emblem installed. So literally, I ran the power wire to my park wire, and the ground wire. I actually reused a ground wire that was underneath the engine bay already, and I just added a little eyelet connector to the ground wire and ran it to there. So it looks really, really good, and I'm super, super happy with it because I didn't know if I'd be able to find a paint color to match the new powder coat color, which is this color right here. And I used to have like a red one, like Ford, and then it said Ford in red and the oval was red. So it was like a three-dimensional painted emblem. But I wanted to swap over to the light up one anyway. So I hope this video helps you. I know these are very, very expensive whenever you buy them from like an actual place. And I can do these if you want me to. So you can just let me know. Rooster_retros is my lighting page for taillights, headlights, everything. I can get back to you all a lot better on there rather than my main account, Justin Smith on Instagram. So if you all have any questions, message Rooster_retros with like lighting and stuff like that. Also, get down there and comment below if you all enjoyed this video to help me in the algorithm. Drop it a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so I can continue making these videos, guys. We got to keep growing the channel in order for me to keep producing content. So I appreciate each and every one of you all. We're about to hit 13K subscribers, so we got to hit 50K this year. So after this truck gets done, I think I really, really helped the channel out a lot, and it's going to be an awesome build. So I hope you all enjoyed this. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody. New merch and stickers coming soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.